Right there. Right
May I
there.
talk to Alexandra?
Yeah, Alex, go ahead.
Soap goes in this open one?
Yeah, and then you close it.
And then close it.
Okay.
Yep.
And yeah, somehow you
Oh, it's a little
look at
tablet.
the numbers and then people would you try to bluff them, whether you have it or not.
That's
You
good.
did,
Thank you.
I
What,
don't
it's
think
3 to
that was
5? It
the
wasn't
name that we
closed all
used
the
for
way.
it.
Oh, okay.
We were only using 2 days.
Just make sure it's latched all the way.
It's on, it's on, it's on.
I know.
Some term you say.
See,
I know,
regular
it's like-
wash.
I know,
There we
it's
go.
so kind of
Something in there.
at the back of the
We
brain,
have
right?
it going 2 hours.
It's on normal.
What is 2H for?
2 hours.
What cycle do we have it on?
It's on regular. I just like it on normal for most cycles.
Well, where's normal?
Right there.
Okay.
It's regular. Regular. It's regular.
Yeah, it's on delicate econ too.
Yeah, it's on.
Everything shows up. Okay, well that one is the brightest then, so that's the one it's on. Got
It's
it.
on the
So what
brightness.
does the 99 mean?
It's the time. The timer. You know what? Do you know what that is? It's the timer.
99 seconds or 99?
99 minutes. That's the timer.
That's too long.
Just depends on what you're washing.
Yeah, maybe it's because if it may be sensing how full it is.
It's sensing.
I don't know.
Alex
You're right.
means it's sensing.
When we did it yesterday, it wasn't that long on normal,
No.
but it wasn't this full.
I don't think it.
Just depends. It depends.
We do at our house, when we do a heavy load, we set it on heavy wash, heavy wash, it does the last
Over an hour and a half. Just depends on which cycle you choose.
Yeah, well, I mean, if you do a normal wash, it's about 40 minutes.
Just depends on which. Hold on. Let me go ahead and put the thing away. It's running right now. Yeah. Seat drop down. 98. Oh, come on, Alex. Can you? There we go.
Wash that glass.
Maybe does not know all the features, but they can tell Alex. Alex knows. I know, but you know everything about it. Maybe knows everything about it. Maybe it does. Maybe Alex knows what it is.
Your dishwasher is in your house, but you don't live in it. So everybody is learning about it. You're just faster at learning about it.
I know. Maybe does not know all the features.
I know, I know.
Yeah. But you already know. No, that's you that
Already knows. That's what this is. Now I see what you're doing. Would you like some lemonade?
Yeah.
Are you getting stuck?
Yeah, maybe he's stuck.
No, William is stuck. Here, why don't you put some water in there?
The water on the thing doesn't work.
Oh, okay.
Look,
Look, have some of that water.
see?
I believe it.
Doesn't work. See?